So what do you think of the lift so far?
It's doing pretty good, man. You know, for 3 inches, I was worried that it wasn't going to be like my 4-inch, but really it's almost no difference, to be honest. And sometimes I wonder if maybe it's because it's the Fox suspension, or maybe it's because of the Teraflex control arms. But something about it is a really good quality kit, and it's handling really nice. It's clearing nice. It's not bottoming out. You know, it's not bad, man. Nothing's rubbed yet. As far as now, you know.
One thing I did notice about coming out last time and then this time with a new kit is how fast you were going. It seems like you've definitely picked up your speed.
Oh yeah,
off-road.
yeah. At first I was taking it slow, but now as I was getting comfortable with the ride, I was like, man, this thing's flying, dude. And it's Fox suspension, so you know it's meant to go fast.
Yeah.
It's doing pretty good.
It did awesome today.
Yeah, it did real good. And I think the speed bumps are working great. They're like the nitrogen ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it sounds like when I compress, like when I'm going over like a washboard that's really like deep, I could hear the compression of either the shock or the speed bumps, but it sounds to me like it might be the speed bumps.
It's handled everything so far really well too, man.
Yeah.
Without any issues. And this was kind of like the shakedown run too, like you were saying. We just installed this thing.
Yeah.
So we gotta test things out before we really, give it some meat.
Yeah, and the instructions told us to take off that cross member bar. So I think I'm probably gonna see if I can put it back on. Maybe they tell me to take it off because the spacers make the exhaust come down lower. If it does, then I'll just get spacers for the control bar. The bar.
For the bar itself.
Yeah, and just space it down a little bit.